Dynamic voice recognition. The dynamic voice recognition feature recognizes natural voice commands and searches off-board cloud databases for the most current information. All that is required is that the vehicle is registered with Lexus Inform. To use dynamic voice recognition, simply press the talk switch on the steering wheel. Wait for the beep and say your command. I'm hungry. The system will display a list of restaurants.
Showing nearby restaurant. Select the one you want. Say next page for more items.
Next page.
Select the one you want. Say next page for more items.
Number 3.
To navigate to this point of interest, say go there.
Go there.
Starting guidance for a new route.
To begin route guidance, select OK.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
To delete a destination, select the destination pin icon on the right side of the screen. Then, confirm your choice by selecting Yes. To locate a point of interest, press the talk switch. Wait for the beep and say, Nearby Neiman Marcus. The system will display a list of possible store locations.
Showing nearby Neiman Marcus. Select the one you want. Say next page for more items.
Start over. The system will take you back to the previous screen, and you can speak a new command.
What would you like to do?
Call 469-292-4000.
Calling the other number for Toyota HQ.
Thank you for calling Toyota Motor North America.
Press the on-hook phone button to end the call. If you would like to listen to the radio, press the talk switch and say, FM radio.
Which FM frequency do you want to listen to?
Play 89.3.
Tuning to 89.3 FM.
Audio information will be briefly displayed on the top of the display. To make adjustments to the climate control system, press the talk switch and say something like, Set temp to 72.
Changing the temperature to 72 degrees.
The climate control temperature will be adjusted. And to be routed to an address, press the talk switch and say, Take me to 6565 Headquarters Drive, Plano, Texas.
Select the one you want.
1. Once you're familiar with the system, pressing the talk switch will interrupt the vehicle's voice response and shorten the voice command process.
Here is the address I found. Would you like?
Go there. Select OK to start route guidance. When using voice command, remember, for best results, make sure that your windows are up to reduce background noise. You may also need to reduce your climate control's fan speed from high, as the microphone can pick it up. When speaking, speak normally and without pauses. Pronounce numbers as single digits. And in case of a 0, say 0, not O. Please note that certain words, accents, or speech patterns may be difficult for the system to recognize. Use trained voice recognition to help the voice command system to adapt to your voice. For more information, you can check out the other helpful Lexus how-to videos. Or go to lexusdrivers.com and select Videos under the Resource tab. Then search for a topic. If your vehicle is equipped with navigation, reference your technology quick guide that came with your vehicle. We're here to help. Contact your Lexus dealer to speak with a Lexus technology specialist, or contact Lexus Customer Satisfaction at 800-255-3987.